All right, I'm looking at Unit 7, Lesson 3, the question that says Example 1 here. And the question says the bases of the following triangular prisms T and rectangular prism R lie in the same plane. A plane that's parallel to the bases and also a distance of 3 from the bottom of the base intersect both solids. And so that plane is shown here by the purple parts, T prime and R prime. And so then it says, find the area of T prime and find the area of R prime. Now, if the plane that intersects the solid is parallel to the base, then this plane, the purple plane T prime, should have the same area as my base down here. And so we need to do a little bit of extra work there because they're giving me, what are they giving me? If I look at this triangle, I'm going to use these dimensions from this top triangle to get the area of the base, because really the base in a prism, the top and the bottom, have the same area. And so I'm going to find the area of the triangle using those dimensions. So area equals 1/2 base times height for a triangle. And so I'm going to use the dimensions 1/2 of my base, which looks like 10 there, and my height, which is 3.3. And you're going to go ahead and calculate that. When I find the area of R prime, I know that it should be the same as the base. And so the area of that is going to be 4 times 4.125. And again, you find that area. And then it says find the volume of T and find the volume of R. And so for both of these, the volume should be big B times H. And so big B is different each time. Oops, not times A, times H. Big B times, let's write that again. And for my volumes, I'm going to do volume equals big B times H. And so big B, the area of the base, is what you just calculated. So you're doing the area that you get here times the height. Volume equals whatever you get here times the height. And my height in this case is 5. So that area that you calculated before times 5. And then here you're going to do the same formula, volume equals big B times H. So you're taking this area as your big B, and then times your height, which is 5. Volume equals big B times 5. Whatever you got there, you're putting in here. And that's it.